In my pocket, I have a 5,000 pounds, 200 to 5,000. If someone doesn't have a time to yourself, please do not. Hi, welcome to the channel. Basically, last could be 4 months I didn't bring any video for you. You thought might be I am away from the business. Still not, I'm away from the business. However, today I would like to introducing my beginning. So we'll see what happened for a past 6 7 months, what's going on and what happened. First of all, if someone doesn't have a time to yourself, basically I know many people 20 years, 30 years work for the some companies. If someone work for the companies and if they don't have a time 1 or 2 years for yourself, please do not check this video, because whatever I'm talking, if you not taking any idea, then it's waste your time and my time, because I am talk with my experience and I'm giving best opportunity for you. Then if you're not interesting, or if you don't have a time to yourself, or if you don't want to develop your side, then no point to watch this video. Because of that, make sure at least if you have a 1 or 2 years, please do watch this video. Otherwise, bypass and watch whatever favorite for you. Right. Around 6 7 8 months ago, I couldn't remember exactly, I got 200 pound. It's in my pocket, right? That time, then I kept it 200 pound in my pocket, and I went here to there to here, and try to find out what am I going to do with that 200 pound. Then suddenly one day when I came in the morning, there is a front of license shop. Then I been there as a usual story. Every day morning I been to there and buy day to day using stuff. Then when I been there, that shop lady told me there is a car 200 pound. Then, oh, that's my changing point. So I didn't think twice. Straight I bought this car. It's Toyota Yaris automatic car, 2004 model, I think. Yeah. So I bought this car. Once I bought this one, it has a engine light on and need to do bit more repairs. Then after that, I done that all repairs within 2 weeks period. Then after that, I advertised this one 1800. But however, I feeling I managed to sold this one 1600. So I make a profit. Then after that, when I keep that 1600 with me, then after that I'm thought what I'm going to do. Then I got another car. It's Hyundai Ascent. That's one also 300 pound I spent for that car. Then I bought. I don't have too much to do for that car. Then I sold. Then again after that I got convertible Renault Megane, convertible 1.8 engine, and that one also I bought 200 pound, and I had to do bits and bits because its MOT failed and the service, blah blah blah. Then sold. That's why when you in the field, when I start with the 200 pounds, I don't have any opportunities. Then I kept it 200 pound in my pocket. Then I thought what I'm going to do. Then suddenly I start this first car. Then while it's on the process, second car came, third car came. Even the before I sold third car, fourth car came. Fourth car, Nissan Note, again automatic gearbox, 2008 model, and I spent that one for the 700. But however, that's why if you in a ball, don't think too much, it will come to you. You have to start something, then after that, gradually, automatically, it will come one by one. And still these days, some people call and ask, Charlie, I have this car, can you help me to sell this car, like that. The opportunity is coming when you start something. If you didn't start anything, opportunity didn't come to you, but you have to dig in the problem first, then after that automatically one by one it's come. Then other thing, when you're going to flipping, don't buy any whatever come to you, because first car, Toyota Yaris, first car, nice and smooth sell, quick sell, all good. The second car, Hyundai Ascent, take a bit time, could be a couple of months. It's not fast moving car. Then many people bargain this car. Then I didn't make a much profit. And same time, after that, third car, Renault Megane. That one also the nice convertible car, but not much market there. Because of that, I'll bit struggle to sell this car. And the fourth car, Nissan Note. Automatic, very good, 2008, very high mileage. Even it has a good market. Within 2 weeks, this car went boom, right? Because of that, everything learn from mistake. Because when I bought first car, I don't have any experience for marketplace. I needed something for the 200 pound. That's why I bought this one, but I won this sale, first sale. Second, third, not much am I expect, but to be honest, I didn't lose anything. Day to day, I'm climb the ladder, right? Then after that, when I get the fourth car, in my pocket, I have a 5,000 pounds. So after that, I am thinking what I'm going to do with this 5,000 pounds. I'm going to at the moment stop from here. Then I'm going to summarize my whole journey, 200 to 5,000. Now you all know how am I start, how am I find this 200 pound. There is a nice story. If you not heard before, there is my first video. Have a look that one. It's very interesting, because this 200 pound not supposed to come to me. However, it came to me. Then I'll start from the 200 pound. Then after that, once I complete 500 pound, I bought another truck. I'll show you what happened to this 500 pound in next video. So my request, what I'm going to say to you, if you have a time, don't think in this 200 pound or 10 pound, 20 pound is not like a bigger amount. This is very massive amount. If you use him for proper journey, then this 200 pound making massive amount. Now within 6-month period, imaging 200, now 5,000. That's why, because the people not think what they're going to do, but you need to think yourself. You need to get onto the ball, then you will be fine. When I start this flipping job, then I don't have any contacts. I don't know what I'm doing. But now after 8 months, then I stopped 5,000. Then after that, I got the truck and I converted for the something better. Then I make it more money. And now, end of maybe 14 months, now I have a value around like might be 25k worth business. Anyway, I'm going to stop from here. I'll show you what happened to the 5,000. Then after that, I'll show you with the another video how I might get 25k at the moment. So if you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below, and also try to start your own business, because if you work for someone else 2 years, 5 years, 20 years, 50 years, end of the day you come out from nothing. You get the pension but nothing. Every day you earning same money, same money, same money. If someone upset, oh, I'm going. When you go, nothing in your pocket. You have to come out. You have to seeking the legal advice. See, but if you have a 2 years to play with you, then you ending with like this. Even I'm not going to stop from the 25k. It will still developing. I don't know where's the ending point, but I know starting point 200 pound. But at the moment 25k, it will develop. When you get quick action and get quick idea and start your own business, you also like me. So I don't want to talk too much. Decide what you want to do. If you need any help or if you need any advice, I'm not charging anything because this is my hobby. That's why I'm sharing my own experience, because many people just talking, oh, this guy done this thing, then he come into in front of the camera and he's talking. I'm not like that guy. I am talk with my own experience. This is my own experience I'm going to share with you. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you. And also, if you have an idea to start your own business, please comment below. I'll help you. And next time, we'll see what happened to this 5,000 pound. See you soon.